Okay. Okay. Sige, sir.
Now basket. Ball possession now for the San Beda. Number 0 now. Pass to number 7, Lina. And he shoot. 5. Basket is good for De La Rama. Ball possession for the WB Sophia. Pass to Policarpio. 5 to shoot. No basket. Pass break run. Number 0 now. Back to number 10. Estacio. Back to Albuena. To Lina. No sir. Rejected by Ike. Policarpio. No basket. And there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 3. That's Kalimag, his first personal foul and first team foul. And at the free throw line is jersey number 9, Policarpio. Ball possession now for San Beda Red Lions. Estacio. Back to number 11, to Albuena, on the run, floater, yes sir, jersey number 10, Albuena. Rebound play by number 3, that's Kalimag Jr. Foul on jersey number 8. That's Concepcion. His first team foul. Turby throws for Kalimag. Official score 4-0 in favor for San Beda. Here we go, San Beda basketball to number 10. Now to number 7. And the shoot. 5. Rebound play by Sophia. They are now on the run. Back to Napoles. Asking for a screen. Back to Policarpio. 5 to shoot. There is a whistle foul on number 0. That's Estacio, his first personal foul and second team foul. At the free throw line is jersey number 32, Chibuase Ike. Official score 1-4. Labang po ang San Beda. Estacio now. To shoot. Ang time move by De La Rama. No basket. Trying to have the steal. Six minutes to go in our first quarter. Back to Napoles. Easy 2 for Napoles. 4-3 official score. Back now to San Beda. 6 minutes to go. Kalimag Jr. to De La Rama. Back to Lina. No sir. And the shoot. Sofia basketball. Foul on jersey number 10. That's Albuena. His first third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot for Sofia. And to shoot. All the way to the basket, jersey number 9. That's Policarpio. 5 minutes to go. De La Rama. Yes, sir. 3. De La Rama Junior. And the shoot. Another steal by San Beda. De La Rama now. And there's the whistle. Foul on jersey number 15. That's Napoles. His first and second team foul. And at the free throw line is jersey number 2. That's Miles Coldora. Four minutes, 35 seconds remaining time. Back now to the Sofia. And 3 for Concepcion. Umuulan ng 3 dito sa ating Coliseum. Number 11 now. Coldora back to Estacio. 10 to shoot. Libre sa labas. No sir. Offensive rebound by the San Beda. 10 to shoot. Agawan ng bola. Mapupunta ka sa San Beda. And they shoot. And they shoot. Another steal for Sofia. Pass break run. Napasobra, sayang. 8-7. Labang na po ng 1 point ang Sofia. And another whistle.
Let's go 44.
Foul on jersey number 32. That's Ike, his first third team foul. Substitution. Marcelo and Batumbakol in for the San Beda. 2 withdraws for number 2, Miles Coldora.
What's that number, the light?
safety government also, pati city tourism.
City government. of
Pati
Sobuan.
city tourism daw. Hindi, those can. City of tourism, pati city government. Manalang now! Yes, sir! Get set to go! Billy Manalang! 3 minutes to go. Rebound play. Supalpal. And the shoot. Marcelo now. 5. No basket. Still ball possession for San Beda. 14 ma'am? 14 seconds to shoot. 14 on the shot clock. Songkuya now. 10 to shoot.
Why light? On the key. On the light.
3-point scale? 3 points for Marcelo. 12-10 official scored. 2 points lead by Team San Beda. 10 to shoot. Manalang now. High. Same ball. With 2 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Lopez in for Sofia. Once again, 2 seconds to shoot. Another substitution. Malik Diop in for Ike. 2 seconds to shoot for Sofia. 24-second shot clock violation for Sofia. Two minutes on our first quarter. Marcelo back to number 8. Gets set to go. Jersey number 8. Gonzalida. Back now to Sofia. 14-10. 4 points lead by San Beda. Diop no good. Rebound play still up for Sofia. Back now to number 10 to shoot. Policarpio. But there's a rescue by Malik Diop. On the run, number 27, Menard Songkuya. Okay. 1 minute to go. Substitution. Foul on jersey number 27. That's Songkuya, his first and fourth team foul for San Beda. Warning for penalty. Another substitution. Substitution, Alain Buladadi for that's Policarpio. Final seconds. Backward violation for San Beda. Ball possession now for the Sofia with 50 seconds to shoot or a remaining time. Medroso in for San Beda. There's a whistle foul on jersey number 36. That's Hawkins. His first penalty. San Beda penalty.
Kaya kaya live po dito pila.
And at the free throw line is jersey number 91, Malik Diop. 49 seconds remaining time on our first quarter action period.
Okay lang ako. Wala sa parang ha. Okay lang ba?
And again, we have a deadlock 16 all. Both teams 16 in all. 38 seconds. 10 to shoot. Another steal by Sofia. Alain Bulanadi now. Screen by Malik Diop. Stop and pop. No sir. Rebound by number 8. 19 seconds to go. 16 all.
10 seconds.
Final 10 seconds. 5. Foul on jersey number 1, Tancinco. His first fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Final 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds to end our first quarter. Last 4 seconds. At the end of our first quarter, exciting ball game. Official score 16-0. Second quarter. Ball possession now for San Beda. 35 to number 29. Still they save the ball with 10 to shoot. Ball possession now for the WB. Sofia Lopez on the run. Tancinco back to Flores. Balik kay Bulanadi. With 10 seconds to shoot. No sir. Rebound. Papupunta sa San Beda. San Beda now. A chance for them to have their lead. Marcelo. Baba ulit kay Marcelo. 10 to shoot. Still no basket. Lopez now. One-on-one play with Mira. Gets to the goal. Number 45, Lopez. No basket. Basket is good for number 35. That's Mendoza. Pedroso rather. Foul on jersey number 36. That's Lawrence Hawkins. His second personal foul and first team foul.
Ano
14 seconds to shoot. Malik Diop now up for another steal. Number 11 now, De La Rama. Blind pass to number 35 and he converts the shot. That's Medroso from De La Rama. Official score 2018, 2 points lead by San Beda Red Lions. Bulan natin now, ano kaya ang magiging play ng WB Sofia? Back to Malik Diop. Yes sir. From Alain Bulanadi. Another deadlock 20 all. Hawkins now. Posting up with Malik Diop. Back to number 8. 10 to shoot. Lawrence Hawkins. 22-20 official score. Sir, pwede to cambia spot? Pwede to cambia spot? 3 for Tansinko. See. Now, on the bus break run, Baba, yes sir, all the way to the basket, Flores. Back down to Sonbeda, 10 to shoot, same ball, kicking violation. Substitution, Mina in for Sonbeda. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Official score 22-25. Lamang na po ang Sofia. 10 to shoot. Libre sa labas. No sir. Rebound by Malik Diop. Lopez now on the run. Back to Tansinko. No, sir. Rebound to Sonbeda. Now on a pass break run by Sonbeda. De La Rama. Back to Mina or Medroso. No, sir. Sabi ng Sophia, relax muna tayo. Alain bola natin now. Posting up with number 4. Back to Flores. Kanina pa humingi ng bola. Back to Malik Diop. Tansinko libre sa labas. Bakit hindi? 3! Tansinko. 28-22. Bola natin now. 28-22 official score. And to shoot. Libre ulit Tansinko. No sir, this time wala. But offensive rebound by Diop. Agawan, mapupunta. 10 to shoot. Lopez. Yes sir. Charge timeout. And of course, Mr. Roberto Bucoy. Remaining time 5 minutes 21 on our second quarter action period. 8 points lead po. Lamang po ang Sofia. Albuena now. To Mina. Back to Albuena. Hesitate to take the shot. 10 to shoot. Still no basket for Sonbeda. Controlled now by Sofia. Alain bola natin now. For Sofia. Screen by Flores. Back to Tansinko. Kanina pang mainit. 10 to shoot. Lopez. Rebound play. Yes, sir. That's Lopez for Sofia. 32-22. 10 points lead na po ang lamang ng Team Sofia. Back to Mina. No, sir.
Sir Estacio, paupo lang, sir.
Basket is good for number 11. That's De La Rama. 24-32 official score. Now Lopez for Sofia. 4 minutes to go. 32-24. 8 points lead. Lopez penetrates and there's a whistle.
Hamora.
Foul on number 4. That's Kyle Hamora. His first, second team foul. Substitution, Mr. Energizer Tolentino and the muscle man, Big Manuel. And at the free throw line is jersey number 45, Lopez. 3 minutes 47 seconds remaining. De La Rama, yes sir, 3! De La Rama. Tolentino now. Back to Dio. Oscar Lopez. And the shoot, the Energizer. Back to Flores. Yes, sir. Flores from Tolentino. 27-35. Back now to Estacio. Screen by number 7 to number 3, Kalimag. 10 to shoot. 3 minutes to go. 5. No basket. Rebound still for San Beda. Rebound controlled by Big Manuel. Pass break now. Flores. Back to, no sir, nagawa ng San Beda. 3 on 4. Estacio to De La Rama. No sir. Tolentino now. Napasobra. Back now to number 10. Rebound by De La Rama. To Estacio, 10 to shoot. 3 points. Junior De La Rama. Charge timeout. WB Sofia. Back now to Sofia. Manalang now to Big Manuel. Hesitate to pass. 10 to shoot. Manalang to Tolentino. Back to Manalang. 5 to shoot. Rebound now for San Beda. Lina. And there's a whistle.
Cancel the late ball.
Well, on jersey number 32, that's Chibuesa Ige. His second first team foul. 2 withdraws for number 7.
Lina.
That's Bismarck Lina.
Second team.
Substitution. Angeles in for Manalang. 31-35. 4 points lead by the Sofia. WB Sofia. Back now to Angeles. To Malyari. To Ike. Tolentino now. Back to the Muscleman. Rebound. Angeles now. Penetrates. And there's another whistle. Foul on number 0. That's Estacio. His second personal foul and third team foul. Two withdraws for Angeles. Ball possession now for San Beda. Foul on number 0. That's Angeles. His first second team foul. 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining time. 31-36, 5 points lead by Sofia. Minutes to go. And number 7, Lina. Seconds to play, 50 on our second quarter. 50 seconds or 44 seconds remaining time. Angeles now. No sir, kulang. Same ball. For second quarter. Final 37 seconds to end our second quarter. 14 to shoot. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And to shoot. Tolentino now penetrates. Sumobra. 21 seconds remaining time. 1 second differential between the game clock and the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Estacio now, 5. At the end of our first half of the third quarter. Lopez now, 2. Number 15, Napoles, no sir. So big violation. And of course, so you can watch us live on our official page, City Government of Zamboanga. Live na live po tayo, 10 to shoot. Sa ating official FB page. Lopez now. And he converts his play. Oscar Lopez for Sofia. 33-38. Official score. Back to Lina. To Albuena. Hesitate to take the shot. Number 11, no sir. Rebound by Napoles. Now to Oscar. And steal by De La Rama. Estacio back to De La Rama. Supalpal by Oscar Lopez. Policarpio to Napoles. No sir. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 0, Estacio. His third personal foul, first team foul. And at the free throw line is jersey number 15, that's Napoles. Rebound, still up, Borda Sofia. Ike now to Napoles. Gets set to go. Basket is good for number 15, Napoles. Courtesy, of course, by Chibuasa Ike. 8 minutes to go. Lawrence Hawkins from Estacio. 35-41. Still by Baston Beda. Estacio now on the run to De La Rama. Back to Lawrence. Albuena sidestepping move. Sayang. Maganda na sana, kayang kulang lang. And ball possession for San Beda. Substitution, Bonsalida and Kuldora in for De La Rama. And of course, number 10, that's Albuena. 35-41, 6 points lead by Team Sofia. Consolida now to Kalimag. Hawkins, 10 to shoot. Cuts to go. Lawrence Hawkins. 37-41. Oh. San Beda now. Kuldora. Foul on jersey number 9. That's Napoles. That's Policarpio rather. His first personal foul and first team foul. To withdraws for number 2. That's Kuldora, and he makes the first basket. Two for Kuldora. 39-41. 2 points lead na lang. Pressure now, making it by San Beda. Libre. Napoles sayang. Rebound by Malik Diop. Sayang. Grabe yung secure ng rebound ng San Beda. Tatlo na sila pero paniguro talaga. And turnover troubling. Once again, 39-41 official score. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Lopez now. To Concepcion, to Diop. Sayang. But Malik Diop for the offensive rebound and a basket. Malik Diop. 39-43. 6 minutes to go. Bonsalida now, no sir. Rebound by Oscar Lopez. Pass break run, Concepcion.
Basket kill.
Basket is good for number 15, Napoles.
Foul. Good man.
Foul on jersey number 36, Hawkins. His third personal foul. And second team foul. And 3-point play by number 15, Napoles. Back now to San Beda. Kuldora. No, sir. Now Policarpio. Still up for San Beda. Kuldora. Marcelo now. 10 to shoot. That's number 3. Kalimag.
Kalimag. Kalimag. Kalimag.
Foul on jersey number 3. That's Kalimag Jr. His second substitution. Tansinko and Manalang in for Sofia, replacing Lopez and Concepcion.
1 to 13 foul, yeah?
Third team foul for the San Beda Red Lions. 14 seconds to shoot. Malik Diop now. To Policarpio. No, sir. Still up. Substitution, Bulanadi for Sofia and Songkuya for San Beda. Ball possession now for San Beda. 46-42, 4 points lead. Kalimag now. Steal by Malik Diop. Manalang now. Tansinko 3! Bakit hindi? Sabi ni Tansinko. 42-49. 4 minutes to go on our third quarter. All the way to the basket. Ating second game.
Di kapita. Whistle. Basa natin.
Officials timeout. Officials timeout muna pa tayo. We have a technical issue right now. Players, please proceed first to your respective benches. Players, we have official timeout.
3-4.
Once again, our official score.
Official scoreboard. 41.
51-42.
Official score 42-51 in favor of Team WB Sophia. Minutes or remaining time?
3 minutes and 40.
3 minutes and 14. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Once again, official score 42-51. Lamang po ang WB Sophia. Remaining time 3 minutes and 14 seconds on our third quarter. 51-42. All right, so okay, San Beda 42. Once again, special thanks to the following: Betcha, Miguel's, Herrera Sullivan's, K-Words, Converge Barber X, and of course, the City of Government of Zamboanga, headed by Mayor Kimura Danalasso. Back to our ball game. 42-51, Dio now. Stepping violation. Ball possession now for San Beda. 3 minutes and 19 on our third quarter. Back two, and there's a whistle. And it's a holding foul on jersey number 13. That's Manalang. His first personal foul and second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. And to shoot. High. Rebound still up for San Beda. Another steal by Bulanadi. 2 minutes and 51. Chance for San Beda to cut the lead. Pass break one. Kuldora sa baba. Naipid. Back to 3. Jersey number 4. That's Zamora. Kyle Hamora. The basket. Bola natin now. Pass break one. Sayang. 2 minutes. 45-51. Still no basket. Manalang now to Tansinko. Back to Bulanadi. Basket count for Tansinko. Or that's Bulanadi rather.
Second foul na mura.
Second personal foul on Emora. Bonus free throw for jersey number 5.
Warning for penalty.
That's Aline Bulanadi.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty for Team San Beda, and Bulanadi converts or complete the 3-point play. 45-54. Now back to San Beda. 10 to shoot. Kalima 3. 48-54 on our scoreboard. Bulanadi now. Nagpeel now. 10 to shoot. Bulanadi now. Back to Dio. Sobra. Now pass break run for San Beda. Back to number 4, Almora. Steal by Malik Dio. Now Tansingo. Libre sa labas. Troubling. Substitution. Lopez in for Manalang. Another substitution. Policarpio in for Bulanadi. Another substitution. Napoles in for Nagpil. 47 seconds remaining time. 48-54. 6 points lead by Team Sofia. Songkuya all the way to the basket. 50-54. Napoles on the run. No sir. Rebound by San Beda. Malik Diop. Final 16 seconds. Back now to Albuena. 10 to shoot. Hamora, no sir.
Penal foul, ma'am.
Songkuya, 27.
Foul on jersey number 27, Menard Songkuya. His second personal foul. Team San Beda penalty. Two withdraws for jersey number 99, 91 rather, Malik Diop. Remaining time, 4 seconds. 4 seconds to end our third quarter. Once again, 4 seconds remaining time. Sir. Songkuya. 52-58 official score. Now back to Sophia. Here we go. Diop now, labas. Balik ulit kay Napoles. 8 to shoot. High. Rebound by San Beda. De La Rama secures the rebound for San Beda. To Hamora, back to Albuena. Sabi ni Hamora, relax muna tayo. We have still the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Hamora. Napasobra. Back to again to Albuena. 5. Back now to Sophia. Concepcion sa labas, 10 to shoot. Oscar Lopez hesitate to take the shot. Napoles. Bakit hindi? Easy to go for 15 Napoles. $52-60. Kalimag now. De La Rama, 10 to shoot. Rebound controlled by Team Sophia. Chance for them to add the lead. Back now to Oscar Lopez, asking for a screen. 10 to shoot. Back to Concepcion to Malik Gio from Concepcion. 52-62, 10 points lead again by Team Sophia. Ano kaya magiging diskarte ng San Beda? For them, of course, 10 to shoot. Songguya now, turnaround shot. Yes, sir. 54-62, 8 points lead again by Sophia. There's a whistle. Foul on number 27. That's Albuena.
Songkuya, third foul.
His third personal foul and first team foul for San Beda. Substitutions or
First team foul ng Pinoy pa.
14 seconds to shoot. Diop now back to Oscar. Fake. Hesitate to take the shot. 10 to shoot. Turnaround shot. No, sir. Rebound by number 35. Back now to De La Rama. 10 on the shot clock. Estacio. 5. Wala pa rin. Grabe yung depensa ng Sofia. Back now to Tansingo. Sayang. De La Rama now. De La Rama all the way to the basket. 56-62. Back now to Napoles. Underneath. No, sir. 10 to shoot. 3. Consumption. 65-56 official score. Estacio, 3! Bumawi agad si Estacio. 59-65. 6 points lead again for Sofia. Oscar now. Lopez, nabitawan ang bola. Papupunta kay Napoles. 10 to shoot. Lopez underneath. To Concepcion. Sayang, medyo bitin po yung tira niya. So ngayon, balik po sa San Beda. 59-65. Magiging diskarte ng San Beda. 10 to shoot. Number 2 now. 5. There's a whistle foul on number 45. That's Oscar Lopez. His first team foul. Substitution, Marcelo in for San Beda and Ike in for Sofia. 14 seconds to shoot for San Beda. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Estacio now. 8 to shoot. Four minutes to go. And Cinco now. Setting up play back to Manalang. To Tancinco. 10 to shoot. No sir, Ike. For the offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Medyo maalat ngayon si Ike. Now, back to Sonbeda. That's jersey number 6. Marcelo Turi, 60-65 seconds on our last quarter. Bulanelli now. 10 to shoot.
5.
High. Those basketball, Alain Bulanadi. Now, balik sa San Beda. Libre sa baba. Sayang. Medyo napasobrang tira ni Lawrence Hawkins. But to the rescue na naman dyan ulit si Bulanadi. Sidestepping move. Yes, sir. Gets set to go for number 15, Napoles. 60-67. Rebound by Malik Diop. Manalang now. For Sofia. Policarpio. 3 minutes to go. 10 to shoot. Napoles. Malik Diop now. Offensive rebound. Balik kay Policarpio. 10 to shoot.
Sir, upo lang tayo. Delarama.
Rebound by Bulanadi. 10 to shoot. Manalang to Malik Diop. Basket is good for Malik Diop. Foul on jersey number 0. That's Estacio. His fourth personal foul and second team foul. Bonus free throw for jersey number 91, Malik Diop.
See.
2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining time. 60-70. And the shoot, Estacio. Back to De La Rama. No, sir. No, that's number 6 rather. Manalang now. Demanang in-church po sa ating Sophia. Back to Policarpio. And the shoot. Let's zoom out. And the shoot. High. Now basket. San Beda now. Chance for them. And there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 5, Alain Bulanadi. His first and second team foul for Sofia. Substitution, Mr. Energizer Tolentino to number 4.
Okay. Ha?
Players po for Sofia, paupo lang tayo, please po.
Bulanadi, no?
Then he shoot. Foul on jersey number 9, that's Policarpio. His second substitution. Bulanadi for Tolentino. Third team foul for Team Sofia. And at the free throw line is jersey number 36, Lawrence Hawkins. One minute 24. Final minutes. 63-70. 7 points lead. Bulanadi now. Bulanadi 3. Back to 10 points lead again. Number 6 now. Back to Stasio. To Halbuena, no sir. Rebound by Malik Diop. And now, final seconds on our last quarter. Manalag now. 10 to shoot. Another chance for them. For San Beda. Marcelo on the run. And a basket for Marcelo. Vision score 65-73.
Entry ka basket. Ay pa. Kunkin, sir.
Pwede man upgrade. Sportsmanlike foul, jersey number 5.
Sportsmanlike foul on jersey number 5, Alain Bulanaldi.
Last ball possession sino?
Last ball possession for Team San Beda. Charge timeout for Team Sofia. Bulanadi now for the inbound. Policarpio. Double team by San Beda. 10 to shoot. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 11, De La Rama. His first third team foul for San Beda.
Survey. Line up, survey ka. May pa line up.
Line out the next game.
Next game.
And they shoot. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 10, Halbuena. Second personal foul. Warning per penalty. Once again, both teams warning per penalty. Final 15 seconds on our last quarter. 14 seconds to shoot. And another whistle penalty. Foul on jersey number 10. Third personal foul. Two free throws for jersey number 15. That's Napoles. George timeout, San Beda, Red Lions. No more timeout. Diskarte ngayon ng San Beda. Five seconds. Inbound violation for San Beda. Ball possession for Sofia. And there's a whistle foul on number 6. That's Marcelo, his first penalty. Final 11 seconds. Two free throws for number 13, Philip Manalang. At the end of our exciting ball game, official score 68-75, won by your WBN Sofia. Once again, congratulations to WBN Sofia, and of course, still thank you to Red San Beda Red Lions. Up next, Basil Zamboanga Comtech versus Kalingan WHB.